What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down there in the corner, right down there. Also, if you find this video interesting and it helps you in any way, please hit that thumbs up button. It greatly helps out my channel and I greatly appreciate it. Do you have a golf cart that you're that you're trying to convert, or that you're going to convert, that you're going to convert from a lead acid battery to a lithium battery? Well, I'm going to go through the step-by-step process and we're going to do it together and convert it. This particular golf cart is a club car. Sorry, I kind of got a mess everywhere. I got stuff all over me in the shop here. This is a 2011 club car. We've already taken the 6 8-volt batteries that were in it out. And as you can see here, we get all the battery trays. This particular model is aluminum framing. We're only going to utilize the center boxes right here where the 4 batteries went. 2 went right here and 2 went right here. We're not going to utilize this outer one. Well, there's the outer one right here. Like I said, the whole frame is aluminum. But both these center boxes right here are 10 3/8 wide by 15 inches long. And it's also 1 inch deep. We're going to take a piece of 1/2 inch plywood, cut 4 pieces that way and join them together and then secure them in the tray here. So then we have a flat surface, mating surface going from this tray over here to this tray, all the way across right here. So then we can set the new lithium battery on top. And we'll get the new lithium battery. It's right here in this box. Ordered off Amazon. Got it on sale. I haven't even took it out yet. It's still all boxed up in the box. All I did was open this box to make sure nothing was damaged, or in the boxes internally wasn't torn up in shipping. So we'll get that open here shortly and we'll be right back with you. All right, guys, now that we got the boards cut here, we're going to get them mounted down here into the trays. First thing we're going to do is get this little bit of dirt out of the tray. Even though it's aluminum, it's not going to rust, but we want it to be able to set flush down here in the trays. All right, guys, we got the trays pretty well cleaned out. Now we're going to get the boards mounted down in there. There's 4 of them cut identical on a table saw, so they're perfectly square and identical. We're going to get them mounted in there. Might have to give them a little tap with a rubber mallet. See if we can get. Yeah, I had to give him a little tap there. And then where this harness, we're going to put it over top of the new battery. Oh. There's one. We're going to get the other one tapped down real quick. Let me grab a rubber mallet. All right, guys, we got the trays mounted down there flush. Boy, that's a snug fit too. That's good. Yeah, you can see they're perfectly flush. Now we're going to take and we're going to get the new battery and set it in place. Let's go over here, get this battery opened up, see what she looks like. Got a little ring screwdriver here. Like I said, we're currently in the process of still redoing the new shop. I said, but you all knew that on the videos. Hopefully this weekend. It is currently around 1 a.m. technically Friday morning, the 21st. We're going to take and hopefully this weekend get the rest of the walls covered. And then we're going to take and probably going to paint the walls. I'm not decided what color yet, but and then we're going to take and start moving equipment in. Got to buy some more equipment. Like I said, we got some of the little knick-knack stuff in here. Nothing major at all. Just stuff we've been utilizing, you know, for inside the shop, working on the shop. Obviously an air compressor and a drill press, because some of the bracketry on the framing, some of it's not been all wood, mainly at the bases where the beams are. We've been using, you know, metal brackets, L brackets. They're like $25 a piece. They're made for a 6x6. But anyways, that's enough about that. We'll do that in another video. Let's get this battery opened here. And I will leave a link, a description of the new battery here in the comments. Oh, cool. It's got handles to lift it up out with. All right, guys, 1 second. Be right back with you. I'm going to get this battery lifted up out. By the way, this is a instruction manual for the battery. Excuse me. And it is a 24 volt golf cart. All right, guys, we got the battery setting in place. I'm sorry here. Let me let y'all see the battery. And we'll get it mounted later. Right now we just want to make the tray and get it setting in place. Now we can see what we got to do as far as the wiring, as far as any wires that need to be made longer. Excuse me. Yeah, see, these wires will fit. You know, these positives will definitely fit fine. That's the negatives. Okay, we're going to have to make the charger wire longer, but those currently don't matter because the charger is being converted over, and that's what these wires are for anyways. So here in a minute we'll get her hooked up and see if she's going to work. All right, guys. First thing we're doing is going to get the negatives put in place here. One second. All right, guys, we got the battery connected. Now we're going to get all that stuff out of the way and go to turn her on and see if she works. Okay, guys, we got it mounted here. We got everything cleaned off. Let's see if this thing will do anything. There it goes. Turn the key on here. We got headlights. That's a good sign. Send forward. We're just going to see if it'll roll because we got the table saw and everything right away in here in the shop. Oh, I hear it engaging. Oh, yeah. Reverse. Let's see if we got reverse. Whoa, oh my God. This thing's got a ton of torque. All right, wow. Still had to get the charger and everything else wired into it. First thing we just want to do here, like I said, was get the battery tray situation figured out. In part 2 of the video, we'll take and we'll get it mounted, get some type of L brackets and get it mounted, and then we'll take, and like I said, we'll get the wire right there. That's the hot side for the charger plug, and the negative right here. I know whoever had this thing, clearly I think they used a hot wire and it's covered in black electric tape, because there's the hot side right there. Here's the ground, and we'll get the charger swapped out with the onboard charging system. We'll get it opened up. Probably go ahead and open it up here in a minute. Show y'all what it looks like. All right, guys, here's the charger here. Let's get her opened up. See what it looks like. sure there's the instructions. Set that off to the side. Okay. Okay. Comes with a quick disconnect for the battery. Aha! There's what we were looking for. This is the plug that's going to plug into the box. So then you can take and your plug right over there. So you can plug right into it and convert this thing to where you can plug it right into your house. You know, extension cord wise. Just plug in a standard extension cord right into the plug and charge his battery. Pretty sweet. Alrighty guys, well, I'm gonna think that's gonna be it for this part of the video on part 1. Let me know in the comments, what do y'all think I should do with the charger? Obviously, put another bracket right here so I can sit down here, but with the port here, should we take it out? So then we can take and notch the inside of it. So, excuse me, that this end of the charger can fit in there. And then we can just plug into it. What do y'all think we should do in the comments? Please comment down below. Again, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I have an amazing shop. We work on all types of vehicles, not just automotive vehicles, farm equipment, golf carts, lawn equipment, you name it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what your thoughts or ideas are for any improvements or to make anything better, or things you've done yourself that you might recommend me doing on this and switch something around or change something. Like I said, we're all just trying to help each other out in this world. Y'all have a blessed day.